Oh shit, here we go again.
Yo, what's good, Juice family, man? Look, I got a special video for y'all. Why I say it like that? I got a special video for y'all today. So today I'm finna just look. We back with another cooking video, all right? So we got another cooking video. I got a special idea for y'all about to see right here on the screen. Cajun. I'm finna cook some Cajun chicken pasta. It's finna be slap. I'm finna see what's up with it. I'm gonna get y'all to y'all when I get. I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to the store. All right, y'all. We at the store. So the first thing y'all gonna grab is some chicken breast. It's thin sliced though. Nah, we don't need that. We don't need thin slice. Don't grab thin slice, y'all. Get you with a big thing. Big one. Alright. Go ahead and get y'all some Cajun seasoning and garlic powder and onion powder and fresh parsley. Or you can get parsley seasoning. Parsley flakes. Don't really matter. Alright, so go ahead and get y'all a red pepper, a red sweet pepper, one of these. Get y'all red pepper. And you're also gonna need an onion. We already have an onion at the house, so I'm not gonna grab an onion, but I got the red pepper though. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna grab some chicken broth. Not a big thing, just like a small can if y'all can. The smallest can y'all can find, because we ain't gonna use a lot of it. Alright, y'all, so y'all can use whatever noodles y'all want, but I'm gonna go ahead and get panini. Personally, I just like panini, so y'all can get whatever y'all want. All right, go ahead and get y'all some heavy cream and then some cream cheese. It don't really matter. Just get cream cheese, heavy cream. All right, y'all. So we just got back from the store. I'm about to show you everything we got. Chicken, Tyson's chicken breast. Cream cheese, whipped cream, panini pasta, parsley flakes. I got some onion powder, some not onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning. I got some chicken broth, and you need onion powder too. I'm gonna show you everything when I put it all together. I'm gonna show y'all, but yeah, onion powder. I'm gonna put it all together. But if you don't want to see the little store thing, this is everything basically that you really need. So let's get cooking. So the first thing y'all gonna go do is just go ahead and put your pasta in the pan. Go ahead, let that boil until it looks, I'm gonna show y'all when it's ready, but until it looks like what I'm gonna show y'all later. Alright, y'all, so we finna put all these seasonings together. A lot of these are new, so I gotta change.
All off a movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard. To demonstrate, honestly, I'm really just rapping. One girl I got fans and they love me. One girl I got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking her. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. I'm gonna go you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get the records, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. That social never gonna club. Like who invite me to the club. With your sexy don't.
Alright, y'all, so we about Just go ahead and let the noodles just sit to the side. You don't really gotta do nothing with them yet. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so go ahead and put the red peppers, tomatoes, and onions in the same pan after you finish the chicken. Let the chicken sit to the side. You go ahead and dice the chicken up. Alright, so now we're gonna add the heavy cream. Mix. But that looks so good. Alright, so now you go ahead and add just parsley. Add a lot. Where's the button? Alright, this is the parsley. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some chicken broth. That's a part. No, that's good. Stir that up. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and added some cream cheese. Just mix that in. It's not.
Chicken looks messy.
Hmm?
The chicken looks messy.
I'm gonna try it now.
I was just kidding.
What do you think? Is it good?
It's great. It's amazing.
Alright, y'all, man, that's the end of the video. Man, the food was really good. Everybody liked it. I cooked it for my girlfriend's family. They really liked it. They said it was a 10 out of 10. So y'all go ahead and try it for yourself, man. Make it, bro. Try it for your family. Cook it for your family. It's delicious. So I'm out, man. Peace.
All off a movie, the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. One grandma got fans and they love me. One grandma got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth.